Hey, how's it going? Hi guys. Got to get the hi guys in. I love my guys. Woo! Hey, a little bonus video. I got a message off Daz Mcguiness, and he said to me, John, I'd like to send you a sample of that Taboo Wet the Face aftershave. I think it was aftershave or the splash. And I said, yeah, great. So that's what I was expecting. I came home today, lovely box here. Now I'll be honest with you guys. I was expecting, where is it? Let me see. I was expecting something that size, and the big box came. That, I think, is that the Wet the Face? It smells absolutely fantastic. He put a little note in with it. He said, hiya John, some of the Wet the Face Taboo. The sample of Hag's Artisan Shave Soap is a rose from Turkey. Enjoy, mate. Thank you very, very much. So anyway, here's the box that was awaiting, and I thought I'd open it and share it with you so I can show you what he sent me and give a nice shout out and a public thank you to Daz for this wonderful stuff. So there's the sample. For some strange reason, I thought the sample of Taboo he was going to send me, or you were going to send me. I was expecting like oh, I'm getting all flustered. You know, like when you buy the Artisan, you buy a soap and it comes in a brown bottle and it's a splash, and I thought, well, he'll tip some into some kind of receptacle and send me. I wasn't expecting that. That's absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much. And it smells absolutely fantastic. And then I've got that as well, that sample of that rose. He sent me quite a few tucks of blades. Look. Probably my two favourite blades though. They are good blades then. Thank you very much, Daz. And then a full set. Check this out, guys. Woo! Look at that. Master Soap Creations. Pole Position. I've seen this. I've seen it about. Oh, it smells absolutely fantastic. So, thank you very much, Daz. I look forward to shaving with that. We'll get some good shaves on the go. Just thought I'd share this quick unboxing with you guys. Look after yourselves, and I will see you on Saturday. Bye.